In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Zebronics mouse software. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to come over and click onto and head on over to Zebronics.com. Now, once we're on Zebronics.com, we want to hover over support and click onto driver downloads. Now, on here, on this page, we need to find the search bar. Here it is here. So we want to type in mouse. Then we can see all the different mouse software available. So now on this page here, we can see all the product names, different names here. So to go ahead and download the software for each one or the one you need, just go ahead and click on download. So now for this demonstration, say I've got the Template Plus, I want to go ahead and click on download, and that should start downloading automatically. Or if it doesn't, it's going to come to another page. We can go ahead and click on to Zeb Tempest, and there we go, it's starting the download automatically. Now once it's done, we can go ahead and open it up. So go ahead and click on it. Now I want to go use the default app. So here it is here. Now what we need to do is come back to the zip, and now I want to go ahead and extract it. So I'm just going to click on extract all, and now I'm just going to choose to extract it here inside of my downloads, and now inside of the extracted folder. Now on inside of here, I want to go ahead and click onto that software. So mine is the Zeb Tempest, so I want to double click onto it. Now I want to confirm, click yes, and now it's going to come, a little box going to appear that says welcome to the Zeb Tempest setup. I want to go ahead and click on next, install, and it's only about 5 megabytes inside for this software. Now basically go ahead and click on install. If you want to change your destination folder, you can by clicking browse. Then once it's installed, you can go ahead and launch it up. I'm not going to launch it because I don't want to actually install this on my computer.